Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 756 Naylor Ave in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse, and I'm going to take you through the entire thing because I think you're going to love it. So sit back and relax. We'll do the things, and after I show you everything about this place, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we are starting outside today on this beautiful north central Pennsylvania day. So you can see the outside of the property. You can see that there is off-street parking here for all the residents. And we are going to come over here so we don't get any more snow on us. You do have a little bit of space out here. You can see everybody kind of puts their patio furniture out here. You have plenty of room to be able to do that. Now we're going to come inside to this beautifully and newly renovated kitchen. You have a fantastic L-shaped bank of cabinets, beautiful counters, and full-size appliances, plus the included washer and dryer. And if you are crafty about your spaces, you can certainly do a dining room table and chair set, so you don't have to divide the space in your living room. Or if you wanted to do that, you could always add in additional furniture like a little floating island. You have a little closet here. And I say little because she's not very big. You got your panel box, you have your water heater, and then you do have a little bit of room that you can, put your dustpan, broom, vacuum, whatever inside of there. Now we have your living room space. This is a nice big space. Great options in here. You can certainly do a wraparound couch. You can do a couch, a love seat, a chair, plus an entertainment center. There is a lot of room here. And then I am just going to open these great windows here. Get those blinds up. You can see there is a little bit of green space back here if you wanted to go out in the backyard. And this is a nice wide windowsill. So you can actually use this for anything, maybe some books, some plants, things like that. And then there's your exterior door back there. Now we're going to take it upstairs. We have got gorgeous brand new carpeting. We're going to get right up into it. Straight ahead, we have a bedroom. This faces the back of the home, and you have plenty of space for a large bed. You can see the doors need to be installed, but you do have a large closet as well to be able to utilize for storage. Coming into the bathroom, we've got tub, shower, and then you have your necessary items in here as well. And then last but not least, we have another big bedroom. These both could do king size beds. This faces the front of the home. And again, a massive, massive closet here. Okay, wow, right? This kitchen, a real humdinger. So what do you got to do to make it yours? Well, you go right over to our website at onefocuspm.com. You can look at all the information about the property, you can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to somebody at the office, give us a call at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because no matter what you do, we are anxious to help you make this your place.